Hey guys, and hey Pumpkin. Ready? Yep. He is Pumpkin, she is the king. Pumpkin the king. Alright, when we left off we got an oil can. We had it, I was putting it up there, but guess what? I can't use it. Because it's empty. So now I'm going within this barn place. Looks like I can look almost anywhere. This what is this? Well, hold on a sec, but if we can fix it. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? God. Ooh, so. No. Gosh dang it. Phil is necessary. There's something at the bottom? Can nails work? Can a board work? Can a thingy work? Great. Huh. Well, there's something at the bottom, but there's no way we know how to get to it. So, yeah. Oh, that's just the entire place, huh? Oh. Goats. Alright, that's part controls away. Pumpkin, 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 cannon. Alright, let's go back up and stop. Fine. Alright, now. I guess we'll look outside. Oh, yeah. Here we go. What? Why can I not stop it? That's gonna... Where's that fucking hook down there? I don't know how to stop it, but let's go do the... There's nothing else to do. is a tiger statue gonna do for anyone? I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Oh, boat hook. You fucker. I'll kill you. What? Okay. Oh, blood and ashes. The orange. I think I'll end it after this. Well, obviously. Candlestick. Dun, 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 dun. Corkscrew. I know what that is, finally. Here's your... I don't even know that bag. Get your fan. There's a belt. Where on earth is a dragonfly? There you are. And a whistle. Whistle. Blood and ashes. Where the bloody? This was so easy, and then it got hard. Oh, there it is. There. Okay, well, that was worth it too. Here's your second ore. I wonder what we're gonna use. Ah, fish. There's a fish. And here's your card. And there's a watch. And we got a pair of oars. Hooray! Alright, well, I think I'm going to end it here just because we did that. Alright, I want to thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you watch the next episode. So, thank you.